Welcome. Sorry. Trying to maneuver around here. I got a cat on my lap here. Welcome. Give me a hot second. I will tweet out that I'm live and then we're gonna start this. All right, let's also set off a tweet on Blue Sky. What do you call Blue Sky tweets? They're not tweets. They're like, what are they? What are they? Skies? I'm gonna set off a sky on Blue Sky. A bluey? A bluey? A kablooey? I don't know. We'll find out. Anyway. All right, Kitty. I gotta work now. You gotta go. Mwah. He's cuddly. He's a cuddly fella. Anyway. Cool. Today's gonna be a tough one, eh? I've already seen the toughness last night when I worked on this. We got some work done and then it got really complicated and then yeah, we basically didn't go anywhere anymore. Jiminy. And now I can't even remember what's next. Something's broken. I don't remember what. All right. Let's log in. So we have, let me see. Last night I implemented, wait, where am I going? Last night I implemented shipyards. We implemented some shipyards and docks. We got that figured out. But now I've also changed the UI slightly. I made the map a little smaller. You only see 5 tiles in each direction now. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. All right. So I got a raft here, but I cannot use the raft. Oh, build raft. Oh no. Oh shit. I'm so dumb. Do I have 2 rafts now? I got 2 rafts now. Fuck. I can't undock with the raft though. We gotta talk about this. So yesterday we have partially implemented. Am I hearing something? What am I hearing? So we've partially implemented ships. Right, let's say shipyards, docks, and ships. Today we gotta continue here. Currently, when standing on a dock or shipyard that houses a ship of mine, I get the undock ship button, but clicking it doesn't allow me to move it. Please familiarize yourself with the currently implemented ship mechanic, and then let's work on making ship movement work. Let's do that. All right. While it has move in my ship's endpoints, it's missing the crucial board and undock functionality. The server has no way of knowing a character is on a ship because the on-ship ID in the characters table is never set. To fix this, I will add board and undock endpoints to public JS. Okay. Call those new endpoints begin. Okay, now let's do it. Ship TS, JS. My previous undock endpoint in ship.js was a mistake. I need to check API manager to find the correct endpoint. Also implement the missing dock ship function on the back end. And we're gonna take this out. We're fixing ship.js, taking it back out. All right. I really wish we didn't have to work on the game UI manager file for these, you know, kinds of features. Because that one is too huge. It eats up tokens when Gemini constantly reads it. I'm like, we already lost 7% context. That's crazy. Yeah, we haven't even done anything yet. Made like 0 changes. Already lost 7%. This file is just too big. And like, Gemini also struggles editing the file because it's so big. So it would be really nice if we didn't have to work on that constantly, but I don't think we can just like move it out of the game UI manager. Because as the name implies, the game UI manager manages the game UI. Sucks. So I really hope we can get this working now without any like major hassle. Cause that'd be nice. That'd be nice. I gotta do some tests with the ships and stuff, you know. It's gonna be a fairly complex thing to do. I'm just gonna, before he does anything else, I'm just gonna test this real quick. See what happens if I click it now. No, don't log out. Jesus. What? Oh, no, he broke something again. Now he broke something again. Oh, this is so annoying. I'm actually gonna go over here to the dock. Build raft, build fishing boat. Okay, so we still do have these actions over there. And here we don't. I don't know if this is good or not. Okay, what do we do here? Player actions? That was the game UI? Yeah. Player actions and pathfinding. API manager. Not sure if this is really gonna work now, but well, let's try it. No, of course not. Nothing happens. Nothing happens when I click the undock button and the enter building and build raft fishing boat buttons are gone from the shipyards now. Oh man, this whole fucking thing is like I wasn't sure if I wanted to do it because it seemed so complex, and then I started yesterday. And we made some good progress. We worked through it pretty nicely up until a certain point, and now like we're at the point where it's like we can't make any progress. Okay, buy ship, which is bullshit. Enter building, yes. Owned by an unknown entity. There's the undocks, there's the build. Yeah, nothing happens. Fix the button display now to debug the button. I need you to open browser's developer console, click the button, report any errors you see. There's no errors. There's so much shit that I have to tell Gemini. Oh man, maybe I should have already done it. I was gonna wait and see where this is going right now. Buildings.js. All right, let's see what happens. Yeah, no logs here. I mean, this is kind of, I'll now change the endpoint from shipyard building ID action to the specific shipyard building ID undock. Wouldn't that be the right thing to do anyway? Why was it action? Why was it action in the first place? If there's a specific undock API call, maybe we should have that. Nothing happens. All right, come on, show me some. Nope. Nope. It's not doing anything. Frustrating, honestly, man. I don't even know if I want to keep working on the ship stuff. I feel like it's just gonna be like that the entire time. This is not even the complicated part yet. Come on, man. Give me something. Like, the problem is, it's not even, you're not even getting an error, right? It's not, there's not even an error that would point you to something that's broken that you could fix. It's just like nothing happens. And when nothing happens, it's really hard to like tell what's happening. I mean, like, server's obviously doing something, but server side undog is working. The client is the problem. I'll investigate. Game UI managers handle API response. Game UI manager doesn't update player state, causing the issue. I'll modify to accept the success callback. The undock button will then pass the refresh all. Okay. You do that. I mean, something happened here, but it was just, yeah, it's just, yeah, it's just reloading the thing. But there's no movement or anything. This is honestly, man, frustrating. It's really frustrating. It's not even, this explanation is bullshit. I wanted, man, Gemini is so stupid sometimes. We're already down at 84% context and we haven't done shit. Nothing has happened. Fuck me, man. Nope. Nope. Hmm. I don't know, dude. Highly doubt any of this shit's gonna do anything. Not gonna lie. Game.js now, huh? I mean, it's probably just the refresh. No. Nah, nothing's happening, man. Nothing's happening. I'm confident ship movement will now work. Yeah, stop being so confident, Gemini. Be a better programmer. Your confidence doesn't do shit for me. I might have to revert and then we have to like do this whole thing again. %83 context. Shit. For nothing. Open the browser console, go to your dock with your ship. Paste the console output there. This will confirm the undock button's creation. I mean, we're not looking... What? The undock button's creation? Since when is that a problem? The button has been there the entire time. That's not the issue. The fuck? And failing to listen to yeah, dude, it's so fucking stupid. Like, why does it think we're working on the undock button? The undock button has been there the entire fucking time. How do you think I clicked it like fucking 20 times now to tell you that it's not doing anything? The fuck is this bitch doing? The fuck, man? God, Gemini, you're so dumb, eh? Legitimately, like, pissed right now. It's not even like anything interesting happening here. Let me see if there's anything ship related. 6 matches. On ship ID is okay, yeah, and received state undefined. So this is undefined. Yeah. Character JS. All right, let's see if it works. I have my doubts, but okay, you know. Oh. Okay, I am the ship. Okay. Oof. Let me dock this thing again. Undock. Clicking on undock. Just gonna post everything in here now. Clicking dock produces this error and doesn't refresh the UI. After manually refreshing, I get this error. And then when I'm trying to move the ship, when I'm trying to move the ship, I get this. And then docking doesn't produce any errors. Yeah. All right. I mean, at least we're at the point where something is happening. Not the right thing, but you know. Fix the typo. There's no changes. Okay, now player actions. Yeah. So that was in pathfinding player actions. Pathfinding didn't really have an error, I think. It looks like it at least. Alright, what was the pathfinding and player actions? Pathfinding, player actions. Now we got the map renderer. Trying to like, you know, rebuild this old game makes me it makes me wonder how this one single guy made this entire fucking game 25 years ago. It's wild to me. How the fuck did this guy do that? I got the power of AI in my hands and I can't do it. Well, let's see what we got here. Okay. Oh, oh shit! You got ship movement. Oh no. Oh no, I don't have any more. Ooh. Wait, I gotta teleport myself. Shit. I gotta teleport myself. What is that? Upwards, that would mean 44, 49? Is that 49? 44, 49? Let's do, wait, what was it again? 44, 49. Right? Is that, I don't know if that's how, like, we'll see. 44, 49. Gotta teleport myself. Am I there? Nope. Am I building my own online game? I am, yes, Snake. Indeed. So it's 4450 then. It's 4450. I gotta teleport myself. I'm on a boat that I'm just trying to program into the game, and I ran out of range on the boat. Okay, there you go. I can dock my ship now. Yay! But ship movement worked. What software am I using? Well, I'm not a programmer. So the way I do it is I have my good old buddy Gemini running in the command line interface, and Gemini's doing all the coding for me. And as a code editor, I'm just using Notepad++ because that's, I don't know, I just like it. And that's it. That's basically it. That's basically it. All right, we got good news though. I got good news. Onboarding works. Movement works. Range check also works. Docking works. So, changing sprites works. The only thing I have noticed is that on water, we don't get smooth movement animated like we do on land. All right, cool. Let the AI do the work. I mean, the thing is, I still have a lot of work with it. You know, I have to plan and research all this shit. And dealing with AI is not always easy. Because AI has good days and it has bad days. And on the good days, it's super nice because you get a lot done. But on the bad days, it makes you want to fucking punch someone. You get so angry because it's just ruining shit. It breaks the whole game. Working on my 2D RPG with RPG Maker. Nice. What? I mean, this is basically a 2D RPG. So let me just walk you through it real quick. Right? So this is an old school game that I used to play that was around for like almost 15 years, and it shut down 10 years ago. So I'm trying to remake the game. There's still people waiting for this game to come back, including me. So we're remaking it. So you make your character, right? You can run around, you can gather stuff, right? You can gather stuff. You can you can walk around. Let's actually head on over to the city. So we got cities, right? Where you have like a marketplace, merchant to buy a couple things. You got a tavern for hiring NPCs, a black market. We got some guilds. I implemented fast traveling. You know, we got some trade routes. So you don't have to walk over to the next city. You just click travel and then you just go over to the next city. Right? Take the route back. Bang. Come back over here. We got people, the mighty Cypher PK, the mighty Fengrish, the mighty Deltia's Gaming from deltiasgaming.com. And you can interact with them, give them items, give resources, pickpocket them. Inspection attempt failed. They have noticed me. Ooh, now I got him. Steal money. Successfully stole 11 coins. Ha! Take that, Deltia's Gaming. Take that. Yeah, we got buildings, production buildings like farms and stuff. All right. We got combat. Bang, bang. Rats easy to kill. All right, very easy to kill. And that's basically, you know, there's more stuff. You know, we got the character overview page here. You can see your characters. Nice inventory that I built in like last week. Very happy about this one. The inventory overhaul. Made a ton of items for the game. Nice tooltips here. It's very nice. I'm also the owner of the city we're currently on. Oh, city broke. City broke. Yeah, we gotta fix the city. I don't know when we broke the city, but I guess we gotta fix that. That's always a thing, right? It's like you work on something completely unrelated and then something breaks that you didn't even touch. You know, like I don't even understand how this could have possibly led to me breaking this other feature. We got a mail system. Yeah, with inbox, send, archive, nation invites. We implemented nations. I'm currently in the Big Daddy Nation. Some nation management tools, you know, promoting, demoting, stuff like that. All the good stuff. All the good stuff. Mail systems, you know, can send mail. Got a history page and online players list. Of course, it's just me. And this logs basically everything that happens, but since nothing's happening except like productions are running, that's like the only thing you'll see. Got a little tavern here for the role players, you know, stuff like that. And that's basically it. A couple other like features, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Where's my dock? Let's get over here. All right, let's see what Gemini has to say. Great news on the core functionality. I apologize for the delay. Ship movement isn't animated because handle ship movement and player action lacks the animation logic. I'll add that logic, creating path and calling animate movement first. Okay, let's do that. Player actions. Right, and so Gemini is editing the files. I don't run Gemini on my server. I run it on an offline folder that is exactly the same as my online folder, but it allows me to basically have a little bit of a buffer here in case Gemini breaks something and I know it broke something, then I still have, you know, the server side that's like correct, and I can decide to not upload the file that I know is going to create issues. What was that again? Player actions. Okay, so it fixed player actions. Now I'm just dragging over player actions. Yeah. Non-AAA games. Do you make all the backgrounds? What do you mean all the backgrounds? For the city? Or like what do you consider the background? But basically everything except the game graphics itself is made by me, but or like it's also AI, right? We're working with AI on everything basically. These are the original game graphics from the original game. I will have to replace them before I, you know, publish or, you know, make this game publicly available. But that's gonna be a tough one. That's gonna be a tough one. So for production, we're just using the old graphics because they work. This is what the island looks like. There's my little map editor that I was also made by AI. So we're currently down here. Let me zoom in here. We're currently down here. This is where I am right now. This is where the city is. That we just visited. And yeah, it's pretty nice. Got a little admin tool here that allows me to do certain things. And yeah. But yeah, these graphics, that's gonna be tough. Because that's a lot of graphics. The tough part is, so we have an active character is what? Oh, sorry. I'm not even logged in anymore because we restarted the server. So we got like mountain tiles and we got forest tiles. And the tough part is they consist of a middle tile, which is basically this, what I'm standing on right now. This is like a center tile. But then you also have border tiles, right? So you have tiles that are basically half one biome and half another biome. In this case, half forest and half grass. And these have to be designed in a way where they can actually fit properly and seamlessly tile. Because that's basically how the whole system works, right? You have these center tiles, and then, so you don't have like a blocky look to it. You have these like transitional tiles that go from one biome into the next, and those are going to be tough to make. Did you consider do some fund me baker thing? No, no, I don't need money for this. No, I'm not going to ask people for money. They can maybe pay for it once it's done, but this doesn't cost me any money. Except, you know, paying for ChatGPT and paying for Gemini. Outside of that, it doesn't cost me any money. And I wouldn't be able to take the money right now anyway because I'm unemployed, and that's basically why I'm like tackling this big project right now because I got time. And you know, I don't think the employment office would be happy if I had a fundraiser going right now. I don't think they'd be happy with me, so yeah, we're not gonna do that. It's just an idea. Yeah, it's not a bad idea. It's just nah. Nah. If people want to support, they have plenty of options to do so already on Twitch and YouTube. This doesn't get a lot of traction, unfortunately. It would be nice to get a couple more people that are interested in me doing this, but as of now, nothing really. All right, what was that? Player actions and then the pathfinding JS. Okay, let's get that in. Pathfinding JS. Thank you, Snake. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. I'll put the money towards the development. Thank you, man. Highly appreciate it. It's gonna take a while. I don't know how long this is gonna take me because this game is so complex, and I constantly I don't even know like what has to go into this game. I have a little bit of a list here. Wait, where is it? I have a little bit of a list here of stuff that I need to do, but this is not anywhere near complete. There's so many things that I haven't put into this list. I should probably take a day to just sit there and like really think it through. It's not easy because I'm like really trying to like remake this game. And this game was so incredibly complex. I don't know how, dude, the original game was made by one person, like some programming student or some shit, right? 25 years ago. Game is the most complex piece of software that I've ever seen. It's so... Dude, I played the game for 11 years, and I haven't done everything you could do in the game. And I didn't understand everything you could do in the game. After 11 years. It's horribly complex. Really makes me wonder, how long did this take to make? How the fuck did this guy make this? It's just some random like programming student in the early 2000s whipped up a game like that. And I remember when this guy stopped running the game and like some browser game company took over. They posted on the forums that development's going to be slow because they looked at the code and they're like, this code is so complex, such spaghetti code. And their programmers are trying to like work through how the game is supposed to work. So it's just, I find it crazy that this guy whipped up a game like this that's so complex, but it worked. That's the thing. It worked. Give me a second. I'll be back in a second. Alrighty then. Back. Look forward to it. Me too. But I'm also a little worried because since I'm the developer here, I don't know if I can enjoy the game. I feel like I have to like make the game and then give it to someone else to run it. So I can just like stop being involved and I can just be a player. And I don't have to like worry about fixing stuff and maintaining it. Because I feel like this is going to be an issue. Right? You just when you're like so involved, with the game, can you still play it as a player and enjoy it? Right. Oh yeah. I always forget. Oh no. I always forget that this ship only has six tiles range. All right, I gotta teleport myself again. I always forget that. Oh man. Okay, now I can dock. I'm gonna build a fishing boat. Let me use my AP potions. Get my AP back up. Okay. Now I'm gonna build a fishing boat. Bang. Undock fishing boat. Fishing boat has 16 range. Okay, so apparently the ship graphic disappears during movement. Oh, I can't. Oh, I see how it. Okay, yeah. I have to. I identified an issue. I thought this was like due to like range. The ship can't go on land. That's the problem. So what we have to do now is, all right, animations work, but the ship sprite disappears during the animation. Also, we need to make dock and shipyard tiles accessible for players and ships, since they both have to start from that tile. So the dock and shipyard tiles need to allow player movement, which they do already, and ship movement, which they don't currently. All right, let's get that sorted out. So yeah, I'm like 2 months in. Actually, almost 2.5 months in. Lately, I feel like I'm a little slow. But it's probably just because I'm like working on a lot of like features that are not super like obvious. Right? Right. Pathfinding. And now the player actions. I mean, I'm kind of glad we got those ship movements figured out. I'm glad that's a thing. I honestly didn't think we were gonna get it done, but hey. Oh, one more player actions, I guess. Now modify render game in game.js. Okay. You do that. So Snake, what's your game about? Tell me about it. He's changing a lot of things now. Come on. Get it done. There you go. Is he done? Does he have something else? He's taking a long time thinking after an edit. Okay, please restart the server. Okay, boom. All right, let's test it. Wait. Oh, he fucked up. Oh, he fucked up. Oh, he fucked up now. Oh no. Okay. Yeah, he broke something now. God damn it. Why's it gotta be like that all the time, man? It's ridiculous. Fucking hell. Oh, that's a lot of errors, man. Holy shit. That's a lot of errors. Don't tell me we just like broke it. I was like thinking maybe I should just push to GitHub right now. Now that like something's working, maybe I should push. I should have done it. I should have done it. Frustrating. Frustrating. I've learned one thing in my development, just work on just one thing before moving to another. I mean, that's what I'm doing. I work on one thing only, really. But it's like, oh, man, like things are going well until they don't. You're like, man, today we're making some progress, we're getting shit done. And then something happens, something breaks and you can't fix it anymore. And it drives me wild. Like implementing the oh, what was it? The fast travel routes? That cost me like 2 or 3 days. I had to like revert a couple times, like completely like thrown away like hours of work multiple times. Because we just maneuvered ourselves into like a corner and I was like, fuck that, dude. I'm just gonna go back to a clean state. Without all this bullshit, we're gonna do it again. And I hope he fixes everything now. Oh no! We hit the Gemini 2.5 Pro quota limit. From now on, we're gonna be working with Flash. Flash is not that bad, to be honest. It's faster, usually, actually. Where are we at? Game UI Manager. There you go. I'm just gonna stop him here. I don't think you have to edit Game UI Manager since this broke without you touching it. I'm honestly regretting it. I'm regretting it. Gemini being a bitch. Oh no, man. Oh great, now we really broke the fucking renderer. Fuck. Okay, emergency rollback needed. Please revert to the state we had when I told you that ship movement worked. We have to revert. I'm an immortal. At least I think I am. Same. It's nice to find another immortal in the world. Man, I'm just I should have fucking pushed. Once we had something that worked, I should have pushed it to GitHub. It's my own fault for not doing it. Because I'm like, yeah, let's just push like one more. Just one more change. Let's get like one more thing done. And then of course everything comes crumbling down. So pathfinding, player actions. Fuck. I really wish I had some version control here. And we're already down to like 75% contacts, which is not good. And now he's struggling to replace certain strings in certain files. Fuck, I hate this so much! Brother! Brother! Yeah. Like, he completely broke everything now. I don't even know how he manages to do that constantly. How do you manage to do these things? If he keeps failing with the replacement tool, yeah. All right. Stop. 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 So we're gonna copy the chat history here. I'm gonna restart Gemini. I'm gonna end the. Is everything fucked? Pretty much. Pretty much. So we're gonna restart a Gemini session. But Gemini doesn't have cross chat memory. So I saved everything to a file. And I say, we just, oh fuck, I shouldn't have done that. Now Gemini doesn't remember what the files used to look like. It makes me want to revert back to last night's state and then use the chat log to figure out how we fix it. I'm really thinking now. Gemini running on your computer? No. No, it's just running in the command line interface. It's basically just another way to talk to Gemini, which allows you to basically start the command line interface in your project folder, right? So Gemini has access to all your files and can look at all the files and can write to them. Because if you work with Gemini in the browser, you kind of have to like pull your files in constantly. Constantly have to upload files. It's a pain in the ass. I started working like that when I started the game, but I'm glad I don't have to do it anymore. This is better. This is just better. Oh man, we just broke everything. Trying to make the ship movement work properly. Here is the chat history. Hope you can read it all. Hey, yeah, I get it. Fucking quota limit. Fuck off. Dude, can I type? Jeez. So return to my work. See you around. Good luck. Thank you so much, Snake, and thank you so much for the sub. Appreciate it. Take it easy. Oh, we were starting with the broken replace stuff. All right, let's see. Let's see how much we can break the game. Let's see how much we can break it. Gemini is the biggest apologist on the planet. You tell him random counted fart, he will take responsibility and apologize. Yeah, I know. You're so right. I made a mistake. There's no excuse. I'm so sorry for the mess that I have caused. It's like my least favorite part about Gemini is like how submissive it is. I'm replacing the content. Well, do it, dude. Don't say you're doing it and then you're not doing it. Dude, we had it. We had working ship movement. Okay? We had working ship movement. Like we actually made it work. And then I instantly broke it because I didn't want to push it. I didn't want to push it to GitHub. And now I wish I did. Is the map working again? It is. Can I move again? I can. Oh boy. Hell yeah, brother. Standing on the shipyard, I don't see my build ships anymore. So we used to have ships here, and I don't know what happened to them. I don't know what happened to these ships. They're just not being... Let me see. Ships at location. No. Something was done here. Enter building is back. Yes, that's true. Buy ship is back. Yes, that's true. But no ships at the shipyard is likely the culprit. Render shipyard actions. I'm debugging that. Oh, you're making just putting logs in. But we already have ships at location in the on the debugger here. Brother, I was actually thinking about playing Marvel today. I was actually thinking about playing Marvel today. I was so close to doing it, and I still kind of want to do it. I kind of want to play more Blade, I gotta be honest. I feel like I'm sick or something. I've had like a runny nose for a couple days. I feel like something got me sick. Oh, so much debugging going on here. Oh, and we broke some. Nice. Always nice when it happens. Always nice when it happens. I wish we could just get past this. I wish Gemini did like a, you know, like a bug check. Like before it like writes any code, it just like really goes over the entire file, goes over all the code, finds out if there's an issue or not. Kind of like this song too. Please fix this bug, man. Please thoroughly check the file for any other bugs so I don't have to do this piecemeal stuff with you. Piece of shit. I'm pretty sure this is not gonna do anything. Oh yeah, it's fully broken now. Ah! Why? Why? This is so annoying, man. I should have played Marvel. I should have played Marvel. What am I doing? Trying to build a fucking game here. I'm not even a fucking coder. I can't code. What am I doing? It's so wild to me right now. How are we breaking so many things? Like, once it starts, it's like a chain reaction. It's like Gemini doesn't make mistakes. Everything works. But then once Gemini starts making mistakes, Gemini's like, oh, I might as well make mistakes on everything I do now. I might as well just go like hog wild on everything. See, like, what is this? I have fixed the game UI manager. No, you haven't. You haven't done anything. Okay, okay, okay. The fuck is he doing? He's like, he's all over the fucking place. I don't even know what to do right now. I'm like stuck right now, man. I was gonna ask him if he can revert back to a working state, but I don't even know if he had a working state to work with. I'm regretting my life decisions right now. I could be out there just fucking playing Marvel right now. Brother, I can't even explain the feeling I just have. Like this feeling, I have no words for this. I have no fucking words for this. Hey, no errors here, but the ships are still not there. Bro, tomorrow we're gonna be playing Marvel again. I would I would even like rather than like fucking like dealing with this shit. I would play like fucking Soulframe and just like run around a giant dungeon that never ends. Do, 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 do. It's so stupid. The ship's location filter is the problem, as player coordinates don't match the ship coordinates. Yeah, but like, there is a ship at those coordinates. It's just not where I'm at. There's 3 other ships at the coordinates that I'm at, and 1 ship at coordinates that I'm not at. So, the fact that Gemini assumes that there's something wrong with the coordinates, instead of assuming, oh, maybe those are 2 different places that have ships. I just want to get this fixed and then just move on. I just want to push it to GitHub, so I'm safe, and then I just want to move on with my life. Okay, can I do this, please? Make it happen. God dang it, dude. What are you talking about? It's so dumb, man. Get it together. Piece of shit, dude. Character ID. What's my character ID? 1, I assume? And then we need to run this one. Why is this one not working? Select ID, building type, name, XY. Oh, it's... yeah. It's pause X and pause Y. It never gets the fucking thing right. Why are the ships one tile off now? When did that happen? How did the ships move one tile away? I don't know. I don't know how we moved them like one tile away from the thing. Get it together. Absolutely. Update player ship set position Y to 50, where position X 44 and position Y 51. Okay, 3 ships have been updated. Man. So that's why I didn't see my ships, because they're like one tile away from the actual... Yeah, there you go. Fishing boat? Oh man, we're... Yeah, of course. And now the movement doesn't work anymore because fuck you, that's why. Oh, we got errors here too, huh? Ships are back. Buttons are there. Clicking undock. Clicking undock posts these errors. generally believed he is designed to make false errors, wrong words, wrong position to force interactions. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. It is weird though. My ship's not being in the right spot anymore. I mean, that's a database issue. That's not really him, but it is like it definitely happened through something that he did. And I don't know why. I don't know how the position of my ships in the database was off by 1 tile. I don't know how this was done. Because, like, he didn't write to the database, right? And still, they were all off by 1 tile. Where's the map renderer? Am I crazy? There it is. Yeah, it moved, but he can't move the ships. That's the thing. He can't move them. Why is he doing something in the ship.js now? I don't think he needs to do something in there. Man. Do I believe that this is going to work now? Not really. Oh! We got ship! Woo! Okay. We got the issue again that I can't dock anymore. Okay, now I can dock. Interesting. And now the fishing boat's gone, huh? Right? Is it back? No, it's gone. It's okay. I see how it is. I see how it is. So the fishing boat is docked, but is actually on this tile. Fishing boat's actually on this tile. Okay, let's see. So that explains why my ships were one tile off. Dude, my ass hurts so much already. We're like 2 hours in, and I want to cut off my ass. I want to remove my ass. Ugh. I'm so fucking annoyed, dude. I swear. I fucking swear. What do you think is easier and cheaper, getting a new chair or getting a new ass? Pathfinding and ship.js. What kind of ass you're looking for? Preferably one that doesn't hurt. I'll just get like a wooden ass or something. Just like wooden ass cheeks that never hurt. Liquid nitrogen. That'll stop all feeling. Yeah, that will also cause it to just fall off and have my meat, my flesh rot. You don't want a rotting ass. I don't want a giant hole in my backside where my ass used to be. Shitting might be hard. No, it's going to be very easy. It's just going to fall out. If you don't have to like press it through like a tight little ring, it's just going to fall out. But then I have no control over it. I'm just going to be dropping shit all over the place like a horse. You got to be careful walking behind me. I hope this is all fixed now. No more issues, no more errors, okay? Let's get it going. I actually have to go back here to this one here. And I have to copy this command that we had. You need to be helping me getting an Omega celebration. Star-Lord! I mean, I said I was gonna... I was thinking about playing Marvel. I've decided against it. For some reason. I don't remember what the reason was. Undock fishing boat. Yeah, see, I still can't move onto the fucking tile here. Oh, it's not updating the position either. Okay, this is not good. This is not good. Game sucks. You're too negative, okay? You're too negative. You know, I would just... I wish I just had something I could do that gets more people in here, man. I'm kind of desperate. I'd do Marvel if I got more people in here. I'd do more game development if I got more people in here. I just need more people in here, man. That's all. I want people to know about the things I'm doing. That's like the main reason I'm like on the internet. I want people to notice me. Notice my existence. I don't get what happened. I don't know what to tell you, brother. So, what did he put in ship move? Yeah, ship move. Yeah, I can't move back to the fucking thing, dude. Where am I? You did a birthday stream and since that day? Yeah, I'm not allowed to have birthdays, man. You know, other people do birthday streams and they get tons of money, and I do one and I just ruin my entire streaming career, apparently. Yeah, I mean, there's just no fairness in this world. There's no fairness, brother. There's no fairness. Oh, I just spilled. Yeah, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, brother. What? Oh, I just read numbers wrong and I just confused me. Oh man. I'm easily confused. Remove debug logs. All identified issues are addressed. Ship position logging movement onto shipyard dock docking dock. I don't know if that's true. It's probably not true. My God, loading the main page is so slow. I really need to like do something about that. Oh, now we can't dock anymore, huh? Ship is not at this building's location. Fuck me, dude. Please, please, for the love of Jesus, get it together. Why is this so hard to fucking log the position? Brother, I cannot describe the feeling that I'm feeling right now. I wish I could make you understand what this feels like, but I cannot. No, it just, I like I said, I can't describe it. It's so much. It's this kind of shit that literally makes me feel sick at some point. That causes my stomach to hurt and makes me feel fucking sick. Makes me feel like I'm about to throw up. What's the file that manages that? Location manager? Yeah. Oh my god, man. Client crashes? No. No. No, that's absolutely not the feeling. That's a completely different feeling. The server updates ship positions, but the client's player state manager aren't reflecting. I don't know if this is true. I don't know if the servers actually, I don't know. Because I feel like the server's not logging it properly either. Fuck me, man. I just want to get this fucking feature done and move on. And shortness of breath, nausea, fucking sickness. So what was that? Player actions and location manager. Added the debug log to location manager. User, restart the server. Don't call me user. Like, since yesterday, Gemini is like addressing me weirdly. Gemini is talking to me as if Gemini is talking to itself. It's like Gemini is giving me a response, and it's like, I have done this and that. I will let the user know that I have done this, and it's saying that to me. It's like internal thoughts, but it's saying it out loud. But then it's not saying out loud the actual part that it was about to say out loud. It's like instead of like actually talking to people, you just tell them exactly what your thoughts are. And just like looking at the chat, I should tell people that they should subscribe to me. I should tell these people that. But then I never say it. Yeah. No dockening. Yeah. I mean, look at this. Like, it always pulls me back to this fucking spot. It shows the same fucking shit. I can't move in this direction at all, apparently. What the fuck? Oh, because it treats... Okay. That's why. I can't move it like this because it still treats me as if I'm on this tile. Ship does not have enough range. Great. Now it's broken. Now I've like messed up my range on that ship and I can't move at all anymore. How the fuck am I gonna fix this now? Keep doors and windows shut for the next 4 weeks, especially at night, because it's disgusting. You get a warning for that? That's fucking crazy, dude. The fuck? I can't dock, man. Ah, man. They're poisonous venom spiders now? Disgusting. Are they like an invasive species? Did someone bring him? All over Europe? I hope not. It's disgusting, man. fucking disgusting. That's fucking disgusting. Oi, that's disgusting. Dude, my fucking ass hurts so much. Can't sit on this fucking chair without getting booty ouch. I'm getting that booty ouch. Do 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 do. My God, what are you doing? Like, how many times do you have to edit this file? Just get it together. Just make one edit, man. Was that player actions? So what is this gonna do now? Is this gonna help you or what? Ship's not at the building's location. It's not, huh? Isn't it? I don't understand what the fuck this thing is doing. Yeah, location manager is not receiving the right fucking this is so frustrating. I'm like fucking stuck out here now. Cuz this motherfucker can't fix it. It really makes me want to just throw everything away and start over again. This sucks ass. I don't know who's hitting the doorbell here, but I'm not. I don't have time. Can't be anything good. Server-side database updates, but I don't think the database is correct. It can't be correct. Is this? I don't know if this is correct. I don't know if this this whole thing is just It's so wild to me. Like what is going on? I don't think the database is updating this correctly either. Things on New World. First time back in a while. I'll have fun. Yeah, potential loop detected. Look at this shit. It going over the read file here, and I can't fucking get anything done. Oh my god. I might have to restart. I will. Oh my god, is that? My god, how much is that? Oh, actually. No, wait, this is wrong. Why is that? That's so weird. I gotta find the oh my god, where's the restart? Where's the point we restarted here? There? Okay, there it is. No, wait, is it that? Yeah, let's do this. Potential loop detected. Okay, let's grab this. Lost context. It's still a lot. It's still 1,500 lines. Yeah, I don't know who's like hitting the doorbell here, but fuck you. It's probably the landlord or something. It's probably the landlord. Okay, let me we're gonna restart. And we're even gonna start a whole like a fresh new window here. No. Oh shit. I linked the wrong thing. Lost context, that's the one. Yeah. Remove the debugging logs, but that's not gonna help, is it? Have I uploaded the last changes? What was the last changes? Character.js. I gotta actually read Character.js, player actions, and player state. I think we got those, right? I think we got those. Yeah, this one was updated. This one was updated. Let me check the current state here. Is he trying to move in? Oh no. I saw a ladder outside. Ooh. Ooh. This 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 position seems accurate. Oh. It's looking good. It's looking good. The coordinates here are wrong still, but we got persistent movement or persistent locations. All right, let's fix that. Let's get that fixed. I mean, a little bit of progress is nice. I wonder what Feng is doing on New World. Is he being sponsored? Probably not. They're probably not sponsoring him. Imagine asking me if I want to play. Imagine caring. Player state manager. Another player state manager fix. What are you doing? What is it? Removing debug logs? Removing remaining logs? Logs are confirmed and blah blah blah. Now I'll remove these. And again, okay, removing remaining logs, but you've already removed logs 4 times. Just remove them all. And some more remaining logs need to be removed, apparently. And we have more remaining logs that need to be removed. Okay, finally, it removed all the remaining logs, huh? Man, that was never mind. What we got? We're removing logs from the location manager now. Let me add the player state manager here real quick. Location manager logs. All right, let's see. Let's see what's fixed. Remember you asking and he said no. I mean, that was during the what was that? The Eternum beta. That was during the Eternum beta before they relaunched as New World Eternum. I asked him for 3 days, and he was like, "Nah, I don't want to. It's too grindy for me. I don't want to grind." I was like, "There's no grind, dude. It's 3 fucking days. You're not grinding anything. You're just playing. Okay, you're just gonna play. I think that was like a max level anyway. I think that was like a max level of 30 or something. So you couldn't even go past level 30. So there's no grinding. You just play the game. You're having fun. You're doing some open world PvP. And that's it. No grind. He's like, no, I don't want to do grinding. And then he went back to fucking Throne and Liberty, grinding his fucking eyeballs out. It's just wild to me, man. Just fucking say I don't want to play with you, man. Just fucking say that, man. Grow a pair. Just grow a pair. Ding 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 ding. Pathfinder is incorrectly identifying shipyard tiles as water type 1. Preventing ship movement. This client-side error likely stems from this blah blah blah. Okay, shared constants. We're adding something to the shared constants. Man, I feel so violated. What when like, you know, the landlord just rings the doorbell. I feel so violated for some reason. I feel so fucking violated. I hate that. Like, I'm not gonna open the door now. Fuck you. No, this is bullshit. Why would this be necessary? I don't think this is necessary. Feel like you got a stalker? I feel violated. I just feel attacked in my privacy. And I saw a ladder outside. I don't know what he was doing. I don't know what the ladder was for. Was he trying to like actually like, peek into my windows here, or was like I don't know what he was doing. But fuck you, man. Leave me alone. What's he saying now? To confirm the fix, I need the user restart the server. Attempting to move a ship onto a shipyard tile. Providing both browser and server console logs. I think this is causing issues. Apparently there's gonna be, yeah, there's no server logs. There's no fucking server logs. There are no server logs. It's the same shit as before. He's like, it's updated, it's updated. You haven't done anything. You haven't changed anything. Why do you want me to test again? What am I hearing? I keep hearing something. Can you not just add a rule that allows ships and players to enter a dock or shipyard building? It is not a tile type, but a system owned building. I'm placing these buildings manually. They are not part of the map file itself. It's coming through my wall. Fuck you. The user's clarification that docks and shipyards are manually placed buildings, not map tile types. I mean, you should have fucking known that after updating the buildings JS that contains the dock shipyards. Maybe something about the docks and shipyards being in the buildings JS file should have maybe given you a little hint that they're indeed buildings. Oh, God. Revert all dock shipyard tile type changes. I appreciate that because I hate the change that he made there. Man, I feel so bad right now. I like the Gemini issues and then the landlord, man, it just makes me feel so uneasy right now. God, I hate it. Hate the feeling. Thought the docs were an item, yeah. Yep. Sounds like Gemini, honestly. What was that again? Pathfinding. And then ship.js. All right, let's see if it's working. Pathfinder only sails on water, but ships need to reach the... Oh wait, he's not done yet. I must ensure client-side pathfinding likely in player actions. Recognize the building occupied water tiles as valid ship destinations. I'll start by examining player actions to understand pathfinding initiation. God, I feel so uneasy now. I hate this feeling. You ever get this feeling, brother? Someone's trying to invade your private space. Drives me wild. It happened last year. I remember. I'm just saying, you know. Just saying. Honestly, I, I I consider this place mine. I paid rent for like fucking 14 years. That's so much money. I could have bought this fucking place. I should legally own this place now. In all honesty, man. He disagrees. Well, I disagree with him. Why would his disagreement be more important than mine? Yeah. Can't move on to this freaking tile. Ships can only move onto water tiles. Yeah. Ridiculous. Apologies for the holdup. I'll now revert animate movement to its original state. Well, are you gonna do it? Well, what's going on with Gemini today? Where it's like, yeah, I'll do it now, and then it doesn't do it, and then you're like, yeah, can you do it? Yeah, I'll do it now. I'm doing it right now, and then he doesn't do it. My God, fucking do it already. He's just not doing it. Come on, get it together.
Ardeth. Fresh start for people like me that haven't played 5,000 hours of New World. Okay? I have only played 2,100 hours of New World. Okay? You've more than doubled my career in this game, Ardeth.
Valhalla. He's still on Valhalla. Well, knock to ask Fengresh to collaborate. Man. I will knock to ask him.
I'll be able to transfer back if I want, right?
Yeah, whatever. Whatever. Dude, why is he not doing it? Do it already. God damn it. Like, is he like completely broken now? So apparently Gemini doesn't work anymore. We're in the middle of fixing something and like Gemini's like, ah, my fucking replace tool doesn't work anymore. Can't execute it anymore. So Gemini's just broken right now. The fuck, man? Now we're losing smooth movement, apparently. Apparently we're just losing this. Reverting that will restore smooth movement, accurate client side, position tracking, original function, which I'm reinstating. Okay. What was it? Player actions? Why do I keep forgetting that? Yeah, player actions. Come on, man. Get it done. Get it done. Nope, he's not getting it done. We gotta find a solution here, man. Like, he can't use his fucking replace tool. Let's see if he can at least write the whole, like, figure out the whole code and then put it into a new file. And then I can take this file and, now don't use the replace tool. Don't use the replace tool. You know it doesn't work. Write a new file, please. Can he get it done? Execute and file override. Yeah, I don't want you to overwrite the file. I want you to write a new one. Let's see if you can get it done. So many issues today. Still unable to execute the replace tool. Are you not supposed to fucking... Are you fucking kidding me right now? Your write tool is a different tool, though. Do not use the replace tool. Use the write tool to write the whole code to a new file. Are you gonna get it done? Like, how's it broken like that? This is... Oh wow, we got one. Player actions. Okay, we're gonna make a backup of this though. Okay, this is an old one here. Let me delete this. Player actions. Making a backup. And then I'll let him write this new file. It's definitely shorter. It's like 3 kilobytes shorter than the other one. Hard refreshes and try moving your ship to ship your tile. Provide console output. What do you mean console output? Are we gonna fix this at some point, or are we just like adding logs constantly? Now I can't fucking move my ship at all. Oh, because I'm out of reach. I have to give my ship more reach again. God, ship movement, man. That's so complicated. Okay, now I can move. And of course, I cannot move onto the building tile. Did I... No, where's that? I have it copied, right? Yeah. This shit will fly, dude. Man, if this goes through, I think we're finally done. I can finally move on to the fucking shipyard tile. Cause it's checking the. Oh no, I still can't fucking write the thing. I'm removing the. Come on, man. Man, having to deal with like Gemini not being able to use the replace tool for some fucking reason. This shit's insane, honestly. I kind of want to restart. There you go. Right file player actions. What's he saying? I'm optimistic this resolves the issue. Provide console output from both. What? Why? Yeah, I still can't move it. Still can't fucking move it. Come on, man. Fix this shit already. I'm tired of it. I don't want the logging. This is so annoying, man. Try moving your ship to a shipyard tile. But what is it gonna do? Like, how hard is that? Like, why can't you just, like, explicitly allow the ship to enter this fucking tile? Oh, it's so fucking insane. Such a tiny fucking issue. We're not getting it done. I'm adding console logs, yeah. Throw more fucking logs at it. They don't even fucking fire. There's no fucking logs even like being created when I'm doing this. I don't know why he's like so fucking adamant at like fucking putting logs in. Trying write file again. Yeah, you can't do it. You can't fucking do it. I'm gonna restart. Fuck this, dude. This is ridiculous. This is fucking ridiculous, man. I'm even gonna fucking restart the thing. A completely fresh window here, man. This, I don't even know what the fuck's going on today, man. Considering edits again. Please. Gemini, get it together. Are you gonna do it? Okay, I feel like Gemini is struggling big time right now. Apparently there's missing world state manager instance. I'm just gonna post it one more time. I feel like Gemini is completely broken. Something must have broken over at Google. It must have broke the servers or something. Gemini just can't get anything done right now. Man, this is nonsense. How can I help you today? By reading the fucking message and doing something. Why is he not? God dang it, dude. What the fuck am I hearing constantly? There's like some fucking noise going on. Something's noising around here. The issue is that it's currently only checking for buildings and not the underlying tile type, which is causing problems when trying to move onto a shipyard that's on a grassland tile. Update handle ship movement function to first check if the underlying tile is water. If it is, movement is allowed. If not, then we'll check if it's a dock or shipyard building at the destination. Either if these conditions are met, the API call to move the ship will be made. Otherwise, an error. Okay, I hope this works. No? No? It doesn't work? It don't work. Indicates that the client side to handle ship movement is still preventing the ship from moving. This means the conditions for allowing movement, either being a water tile or dock shipyard building, are not being met. To diagnose this, you need to inspect the values of the tile data and building data at the target coordinates. I will log the X and Y coordinates at the start of the function. Type target world tile data, building at destination object. I see. You haven't edited the file. Like, I don't know. Like, can he not double check his fucking shit? Why is he constantly like, I've added console logs? No, you haven't. You haven't fucking edited the file at all. It's crazy. Please replace the entire. No, you can suck my dick. Suck my dick. You will edit the file right now. Fuck you. Like, the thing is, I can't fucking replace this. Like, he posts this code with like line numbers. So if I copy this, I have to like manually remove every fucking line number. It's ridiculous. I cannot fulfill the request to edit. As I've explained, the right file tool is currently not working reliably. Try again, motherfucker. Yeah, I might have to call it here. This looks like Gemini is clocked out. It's fucking quitting time already, huh? Oh, look, all of a sudden we can write the file. It's magic. So what is this gonna do now? Okay, there's no logs in this thing. Oh, that's why he doesn't find it, because it's shipyard S. Oh, I see. I see the issue. Okay, now we're fixing it. Now we're fixing it. Now we're getting it done. Now we finally figured out what the problem is. Now we should actually be able to do it. Come on. Still not. But we're getting a different thing now. Ships can only move onto water tiles. See, like this is the problem. There's like another fucking check that the ship doesn't go through here. Oh man, come on, man. We're so close. We're so close. Okay, let's do that. What was that ship? Ship GS. I can hear the landlord doing something outside. I hear like sounds like a ladder constantly being like deployed, folded up and put together and like leaned against a wall. I don't know what the fuck he's fixing out there. Okay, come on. This time it's gonna work. Oh, yes. But now we don't have the docking stuff anymore. At least we fixed that, you know? I can't dock, but at least we can move on to the right tile. I'm just gonna stop this here and I point him directly to the game UI manager. Before he like reads even more files. Wait, how is this inverted? I don't get it. Let's check what Feng is doing. What's he doing? Is he playing some OPR? No? Oh, he's putting together a spear build.
Okay. All right, that's one dude. We got sword and board over yonder.
Well, have fun. Sword and board spear, huh? Let's see. Oh man, he's taking a long time to fix this now. Okay, game UI manager. There you go. I really wish we didn't have to work on the game UI manager. It's such a big file. I wish I could break it up somehow. Make it smaller. We'll see if this works now. And we broke the UI, of course. It's always something, man. It's always something. I don't know why we can't fix these things without breaking half the game every time. Oh, there it is. I see it. An error occurred. I could fix this myself. I don't know why this happens. Like, Gemini puts like extra N's or M's somewhere in the code constantly. I have this like almost every day that there's like an extra letter. Like it's usually an N or an M. That's like somewhere at the end of a line and that's causing a syntax error. I could fix this myself. Okay, he failed. He failed. I will fix it myself. Let me see. What does the line look exactly? Okay. Finds zero thingies here. There's one. Yeah. And then there's another one, which is weird that he added that. So he added it in 2 places. I don't even know if he would have caught the 2. Probably just caught 1. Dock ship? Ooh, yeah, we got it. Ooh, does this actually work now? I walk onto it. I say undock the Fisher boat. I can move back. I can dock. Okay, we got it. This is where we're going to end it. This is where we're going to end it. We have successful cross-media movement, okay? Can move onto the shipyard, grab the ship, move the ship on the water, go back to the shipyard, and dock it. It works. That's all we want. That's all we want. Oh man, we got it. I'm gonna actually push that. I'm gonna push it. You type I fixed it? Yeah. Yeah, what about it? What about it? Um let me push to get up here. You're working for him or him for you? I mean, he's done all the work. He failed to remove that wrong character, so I did it for him. Oh man, I'm glad this works now. I'm glad this works. There's still a lot of shit that needs to be adjusted here, but the cross-medium movement works, and that's what we're going to call it, okay? Thanks for coming. Appreciate it. Wolverine, you let me know if you want to play Marvel tomorrow, and I'll consider it. Yeah, that's all. Hope you liked it. Hope you had a fun time. Probably not. I'll be back tomorrow. Take it easy. Have fun. Stay safe. I'll catch you tomorrow.